Guys, Wondershare Filmora 13 is here, and today in this video I will talk about 3 hidden features which are so unique and new in this version. Let's start with an AI feature which I personally find so useful when applying custom LUTs. It not only applies the scenario but also the people in it, so it becomes uncontrollable and sometimes it doesn't suit the skin tone of people in the videos. So there is this new AI feature called Protect Skin Tones in your Filmora 13, with which you can control how much effect you want on the skin tone. As you can see, the skin tone is now almost like original, so it can really help in certain scenarios. I mean, look at the video. I am reversing the effect, and as you can see, the changes on the skin tone, it works so perfectly. So this is, I feel, one of the best new features. You can even use keyframes to get more control. So let me apply these two keyframes to show you the changes in the skin tone. Topic is sound design. In this video, I will guide you how to perfectly design the audio of. It looks so dramatic, and there are so many nice uses, like you can make your videos black and white but keep the person in color or vice versa. So play with this feature. This is just an awesome new feature on the Filmora 13. Next, let's have a quick look at this clip. Two people running, and I want to add slow motion effect. So what you can do is you can directly apply slow-mo effect from here, or simply click and hold the control key and drag the clip to apply slow motion or fast effect. As you can see, there is definitely frame drop. I mean, it has heavily compromised the quality of the video, which is not acceptable for professional work. So there is another hidden tool I have found on the Filmora 13. In the speed tab, you can manually control the speed, that is, you can apply slow motion or fast effect, and at the bottom you get this new feature called AI frame interpolation. So by default you get frame sampling, which simply extends the clip with frame drops, which is clearly visible in the sample video. But there is this new feature you should take help of, which is called Optical Flow. It's slower but of higher quality, that is, it will take some time to render, but that is definitely worth it. With the help of AI, it will physically generate frames in between two frames. So let's render the video first and see what happens. As you can see, guys, it's now buttery smooth. There is no visible frame drop, and this works like magic. Hey, this is Shukesh Bonik from Filmora Creator. So this is a video I made for Filmora, and as you know, a good thumbnail is one of the biggest factors for a video success. I mean, people will literally get an idea about the content, the quality of your videos. So in the Filmora 13, you get a thumbnail creator in the export window itself. So it's so helpful and a great thinking by the Filmora team. Now this is so easy to use. With the help of AI, it will find a good frame from the video or from local, that is from your computer. You can also manually select any frame from your videos. After selecting the frame, click edit, and there you get a new window for editing the thumbnail. You get lots of presets or templates according to different categories or themes of your videos. So maybe for a vlog, you can look into these templates, and the portrait has been nicely cut out. It saves so much time and looks very professional. There are templates for food, music, family, how-to videos, and promotional videos. Let me show you some of these templates. Of course, you can edit the templates like the text, the background, etc. as per your requirements, your channel, your title or subject of the video. For how-to videos, these templates are quite nice, especially this one. I can of course resize, remove and do other changes on the overlay image. There are also a lot of editing tools, like I can drop shadow and also change the capacity, the shadow distance, blur effect, etc. For promotional videos, you get these templates here. If you wish, you can save a template as a custom template of your own, and also you can add text and images from your computer. So definitely this thumbnail generator is such a handy feature on the new Filmora 13. Definitely give it a try. The download link is in the description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome videos on Filmora 13 in my channel Gadgets Portal.